Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, again, request pa rin to. Ito ang ating pork salpicao. Kasi mahal yung beef. So, anyway, for pork salpicao, normally we use pork loin or pork tenderloin. And then, yung secret of the stars is minamarinate natin ng mustard para mas kumapit yung sauce. So, normally, salpicao traditionally, squares, right? But, you can also cut it into strips. Naisip ko pa ngayon. Squares, strips, cubes. Okay. So, there. So, we're using pork loin kasi malambot na siya. Okay. There we go. See? So, we're just cutting it all. Okay. And then, while I'm cutting this, so any mustard will do. But of course, yung merong mga Dijon, mas masarap yun. So, we're using it para mas kumapit. I'm just gonna use a little bit of garlic powder para lang magkaroon ng garlic taste. Lots and lots of pepper. Traditionally, but I think yung natutunan kong salpicao, we actually use beef tenderloin and we make use of red wine. No, but for this one, I'm not gonna use ibang version na siya. Kasi nga, wala naman tayong red wine na bukas. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some pepper. Using my bare hands. I'm just gonna coat it with mustard para mas kumapit yung sauce. If for beef, I would recommend gamitin nyo itong procedure na to 30 minutes prior. No? You should use it. But since it's pork, it's white meat, it easily absorbs the taste. So, I'm just doing it right before sauteing. Okay? Okay. For the recipe, this one, I cannot emphasize, wala tayong choice but use olive oil. But if you're gonna use canola oil, I highly suggest siguro taasan ninyo yung garlic, yung taste ng garlic. If you're not, I highly suggest you utilize olive oil. So we're just waiting for it to heat up. And then, of course, I'm gonna put my favorite nor seasoning. Pero sa totoo, it's just really and parents. There, it's sizzling. Normally, it's garlic, olive oil, a little bit of red wine, and the parents, but we're doing a different version. I'm gonna add konting. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Hindi ko alam bakit may nag-request na to. Somebody requested for pork salpicao. Normally, pag beef kasi we don't really fully cook it, diba? So, this one, we have to because it's pork. Yeah. So, we're just cooking it before we add all of the lean parents and the nor seasoning. So, ayan, tinan mo. Change na yung color. It's no longer reddish. Once naluto na all surfaces, that's the time we're gonna add the lean parents and the nor seasoning. Madali lang, diba? Simple lang. Kasi pang pulutan, pang beer. All are all sealed. I'm gonna add the lean parents. So that's about, I think, 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add a little bit of paprika because it's Spanish. Yeah. So to just have the taste of Spanish. Kanina, di ba sinabi ko, I wanted to add paprika para may pagka-Spanish taste. So this is it. Titignan mo yung book na to, kunyari, black fried peas. Nakasulat lahat ng mga ingredients na bagay sa kanya. So that would be your guide. And then, so for example, if you wanted to taste like Chinese, that would be soy sauce, garlic, a little bit of ginger. If you wanted Thai, may holy basil, may konting oyster sauce or garlic. So meaning may guide for cuisine. Sa Filipino naman, it's onions, garlic, diba? And patis. Here, I'm gonna add this na. Konti lang, 1 teaspoon lang. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of pepper just to make sure. pretty much, it's fully cooked na siya. And we're ready. So, ayan. So, ang nagdadala dito really is the olive oil. Without the olive oil, the taste will not be the same, the sauce. No? Let me just put some corn sugar in. Okay, ready to serve. So, this is our pork salpicao. Naghintay na ating mga customers.